Now we'll be discussing similar triangle concept. We have two triangles here. The measures are ABC lowercase for the left side triangle, and the right side triangle we have measurements X, Y, and Z. And as you see in the top, we have corresponding angles are equal. So that's why the different shapes, these two triangles are called similar. So then the like sides will be now proportional. That means opposite of third angle is A and opposite of third angle is X. So then A over X. Opposite of second angle, the first picture and the second picture, we have B and Y. So that's why B over Y. And then opposite of the first one is C in the first, and then the second picture is Z. That's why it is C over Z. So this is the idea of similar triangles. So like sides are proportional. So we'll be working on some examples on this. I'm having two triangles. The measurements are like first one is 42 and 24. And then the similar sides for the second triangle is X and 8. So in this case, you can easily see the measurements are given accordingly. So then we can write that 42 over X will be same as 24 over 8. And then you can do the cross multiplication. 24x equals 8 times 42. So then x will be 8 times 42 over 24. Now you can simplify, like 8 will divide 24 by 3. And then I have 42 over 3. That gives you 14. All right, so we got our x. We'll go to the next example. So example 2. A 5-foot tall boy is standing 20 feet away from a 18-foot tall light post. How long is the shadow? We need to draw a picture. So first you can see that you have a light post here. And we say that a 5-foot tall boy, you can think like this, standing, and it says that the height of this boy is 5 feet, and light post is 18 feet, and is 20 feet away from the light post. So then if you draw a picture from here, so the shadow of this boy will be X. Okay, so then we can say 18 over 5 equals, so the whole length is 20 plus X over X. Okay, so now we can cross multiply. We get 18x equals 5 times 20 plus X. That gives me 18x equals 100 plus 5x. So 18x minus 5x equals 100. 13x equals 100. Then you can say x equals 100 over 13. Okay, so we'll go to the next example. This one is saying that a building casts a 60 feet shadow while a 30 feet tree casts a shadow of 35 feet. How tall is the building? Okay, let us draw the picture. So we have a tall building here, and then we have a tree here. So the building is putting a shadow here, which is 60 feet. And then the height of the tree is 30 feet here. And then the shadow of this one is, in this case, is 35 feet. So now we need to find what is the height of this building. Let me call it B. Okay, so then we will say that b over 30 equals 60 over 35. Is that right? So it gives you like this one. So you write 35b equals 60 times 30, and then b will be 60 times 30 over 35. Now you can divide by 5, so you get a 7 here, you get a 60 here, times 6, because you're dividing by 5. So that gives you 360 over 7. That's the height of the building. So we'll go to the next example. So you're saying from this picture, I need to find what is x. If you look at the picture, the bigger triangle is giving you 60, and that one is x plus 15. And the second triangle is 30, and this one is 15. So then we can say 60 over 30 like sides will be x plus 15 over 15. You can simplify this one here. Makes it 2. So you get 2 over 1 is x plus 15 over 15. Now do the cross multiplication. X plus 15. Cross multiplication meaning is this 1 times x plus 15 equals 2 times 15, which is 30. So then x will be 30 minus 15, which is 15. So we are done for problem number 4. So now we are taking example 5. In this, as you see, we have a small triangle here. This is 10, this is 15. And then if I consider the bigger one, so this one will be 10 plus x, and that side is 30. So then easily you can say 30 over 15 equals 10 plus x over 10. So then you can simplify this one is 2. So you can write this one is 2 over 1. Do the cross multiplication. So then you get 10 plus x equals 2 times 10, which is 20. Subtract 10 both sides. So then you get x equals 10, and we are done.